Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says x minus 2 to the power of 6 equals to 4 to the power of 6. So we are going to find the value of x from this equation. We are given x minus 2 to the power of 6 equals to 4 to the power of 6. When we have a situation like this, what we need to do is for us to transpose the right hand side to the left hand side. So this will become x minus 2 all to the power of 6 minus 4 to the power of 6 equals to 0. Here can be written as x minus 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 0. If you can look at this, it is in the form a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. Difference of 2 square is the solution equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to express this in this solution of difference of 2 square, where we have the value of a equals to x minus 2 to the power of 3 and also b equals to 4 to the power of 3. So substituting this parameter into this solution of difference of 2 square, we'll have that our a plus b equals to x minus 2 to the power of 3 plus b, our b is 4 to the power of 3. Then we have the first parenthesis. Then the second parenthesis, we have x minus 2 to the power of 3. Then the second one will be minus 4 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. We have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So the first one, let's take this one first and then this one second. So the first one equals to x minus 2 all to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 equals to 0. And also the second one equals to x minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 equals to 0. So this first one, it is in the form a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. And this second one, it is in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. So this is what we have. So what we are going to evaluate now is addition of 2 cube and difference of 2 cube. So the first one, which is addition of 2 cube, is a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. The solution is a plus b all into a to the power of 2 minus ab plus b to the power of 2. So this is the solution of addition of 2 cube. So what we're going to do, let's solve this first one first. So we are going to take this, express this in this format. So that will give us the first one, which is our a, which is x minus 2. We have this plus b. Our b is plus 4. That is for the first parenthesis, which is this. Then the second parenthesis, a to the power of 2, which is x minus 2 to the power of 2. We have minus ab. We have here minus x minus 2 into 4, because our b is 4. Then we have plus 4 to the power of 2, all equals to 0. So that is what we have, the solution of addition of 2 cube. This same thing as having x, we have here minus 2 plus 4 will become plus 2. Into, we have here x minus 2 into x minus 2, because it's to the power of 2. So we have here minus 4 into x minus 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 is 16, all equals to 0. So in this case, we have x plus 2 into x times x, we have x to the power of 2. X times minus 2, we have minus 2x. Minus 2x times x. Minus 2 times x, we have minus 2x. We have minus 2 times minus 2, we have plus 4. So we have here minus 4 times x, we have minus 4x. We have minus 4 times minus 2, we have plus 8. We have here plus 16, all equals to 0. So this gives us x plus 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 2x will give us minus 4x plus 4 minus 4x plus 8 plus 16 equals to 0. So here we become x plus 2 into x to the power of 2. We have here minus 4x minus 4x will become minus 8x. So we have here 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 16 will give us plus 28, all equals to 0. So this will become the first parenthesis equals to 0 or the second parenthesis equals to 0. So we have x plus 2 equals to 0, and also we have x to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 28 equals to 0. So the first one, x equals to minus 2. So this is the first value of x, which is x1 equals to minus 2. And the second value of x, which is the second parenthesis, x to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 28 equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. So what we are going to do is for us to compare it with the standard quadratic formula, which is a x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Comparing these two equations, we have the value of x here as 1, and also b equals to minus 8, and also c equals to 28. So we are going to substitute that into the quadratic formula, where we have the value of x in the quadratic formula as minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. Substituting this parameter into this formula, we have the value of x equals to minus into minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times our c is 28 all over 2 times 1. So the value of x becomes minus times minus 8 will become 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 to the power of 2 is 64 minus 4 times 28 is going to give us 112 all over 2. So this will become x equals to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 112 will become minus 48 all over 2. So our value of x become 8 plus or minus square root of minus 48 is same thing as 16 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. So here we'll have the value of x as this, where our x here will become 8 plus or minus square root of 16 is same thing as 4. Then we have root 3. Square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I, all over 2. So these are the two solutions of x, which is x2 and x3. And this is the value of x2 and x3. We are going to look at the second part of the equation where we have this. So before we do that, we need to clean this. So here we have the second part as this, which is difference of 2 cubes, which is in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b all into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So we need to express this as that difference of 2 cubes. So in this case, our solution will become x minus 2 minus b. Our b is 4. That is for first parenthesis. The second parenthesis we have x minus 2 to the power of 2 plus x minus 2 times our b, which is 4, we have plus 4 to the power of 2. So in this case, this will become x minus 2 minus 4 will become minus 6 into, we have here x minus 2 into x minus 2, we have here plus 4 into x minus 2 plus 16. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So this will become x minus 6 into x times x, we have x to the power of 2. This is minus 2 times x, we have minus 2x. We have x times minus 2, we have minus 2x. We have minus 2 times minus 2, we have plus 4. Then we have plus 4 times x, we have 4x. Then 4 times minus 2, we have minus 8, plus we bring down 16. This becomes x minus 6 into x to the power of 2. So we have here minus 2x minus 2x, which is minus 4x. Then we have plus 4x. It cancels out. So that becomes 0. So we are now left with 4 minus 8, which is minus 4. Then minus 4 plus 16 become 12. So we have here plus 12, all equals to 0. We have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So the first one, which is x minus 6, equals to 0. And also we have x to the power of 2 plus 12 equals to 0. Let's move this to this other side. We have x1 equals to minus 2. That is the value of x1, because we need to clean this. So in that case, for this first parenthesis, we have the value of x here equals to 6. This is value of x4 because we stop at x3 here. So this is the value of x4 that we have. And this second one, where we have x to the power of 2 plus 12 equals to 0. For us to evaluate this, we need to transpose 12 to the right hand side. Therefore, our x to the power of 2 equals to minus 12. Then for us to find the value of x from this equation, what we need to do is to introduce square root to both sides. So this will become square root of this equals to square root of this. Therefore, 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. Therefore, x equals to plus or minus square root of minus 12 become 4 times 3 times minus 1. So in this case, our x equals to plus or minus square root of 4, same thing as 2. We have root 3i. So this is the last value of x, which is x5 and x6. So we are going to write down everything out for us to see all the solution of x from what we've gotten. That where we have our x1 is minus 2. Our x1 equals to minus 2. Then our x2, where we have 8 plus or minus 4 root 3i all over 2. This can be written as 2 into 4 plus or minus 2 root 3i all over 2. 2 will go here and 2 will go here. We are now left with our value of x2 will become 4 plus 2 root 3i. Then value of x3 will become 4 minus 2 root 3i. So these are the solution of this x. So our x4 here will become 6. Then our x5 and our x6. From here, we have x5 equals to 2 root 3i. Then x6 equals to minus 2 root 3i. These are the 6 possible solutions of x, and they are all satisfy this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video for more interesting topic. Thank you.